Good morning, sunshine. Welcome back to another cleaning day. Today will be an extreme deep cleaning of my bathrooms. We do have a 2.5 bathrooms. I have my master bathroom and then the kids bathroom, and downstairs we have a guest bathroom. I do clean my bathroom at least once a week, deep clean it, but the kids bathroom I haven't cleaned it in since forever. That bathroom, it's used by all my 4 boys, and currently my sister and my brother-in-law are living in the house and they also use that bathroom, so it's really trafficated all the time. And as you guys can see, it's extremely dirty. I have to do a deep clean on this bathroom, like extremely deep cleaning. I will be using a lot of different products, and throughout the video I will be telling you what I'm using. But if you need really extreme motivation, stay with me. Get your gloves, get your broom, and whatever you need to clean today, clean along with me, and let's get to cleaning. First thing that I will be doing is picking up all the trash from the bathrooms and from the shower. There is a lot of bottles that are empty and they need to be in the trash, and I don't have any other trash cans other than in my bathroom, and I think I will be changing that because the kids throw everything in the floor. After I pick up all the trash, I will be putting the barkeeper's friend into the shower in the tub. That way they could be soaking for a while. And then by the time I get to clean the shower in the tub, they are all the scum. It's a little bit more easy to be removed. I've mentioned in a few videos already that I do my makeup in my bathroom, and if you guys can see in here, it's just all clutter. I have a lot of makeup everywhere, and sometimes the kids will come into my bathroom and get ready in the morning because, like I said, there is 4 boys, my sister and my brother-in-law, and in the morning everyone is trying to get ready for school, and sometimes it's really hard for them to get ready in the bathroom since they have to close the door, so they just decide to come over in my bathroom and get ready in here. I will be using the Tile Plus foaming bathroom cleaner, and I got that at the Dollar Tree. I have a lot of Dollar Tree products that I do want to use and finish them. Some of them really don't work, but since I have them already, I want to finish them. And I bought that little brush from the Dollar Tree as well. If you guys can see, I don't have any caps that goes into the sink, and they get really dirty on the sides, and because we have really hard water around my area, around the faucet, it gets really dirty, so that brush helps me to take all that scum away around the hardware from the sink. To clean the mirrors, I'm using the Everspring glass cleaner. I did use a fiber cloth a few days ago to clean the mirror in my bedroom, but I really didn't like the way it worked. I think I just need to wash that fiber cloth. But to clean this ones, I am using just a paper towel, and if you guys can see that mirror, it's all the way to the top. It doesn't get dirty, but it gets dusty, so it was time to clean it out, as well as this mirror that is going towards my closet. When I clean the bathrooms, the only time that I use gloves is to clean the toilet. I hate cleaning the toilet. It's something that I will avoid as long as I can, but they really needed that deep clean, and all I'm using, it's the Clorox wands. I'm using the lavender scent. They smell really good. I've tried the blue ones. I don't know what's the smell not the smell, but the name of it. But this time I'm using the purple, the lavender scent. And again, I'm just using paper towels to clean them out. I don't like to use any fiber cloths to clean the toilet, just because I think it's just unsanitary. And once I'm done, I do put a few drops of essential oil. Now, since I am doing a deep clean in the shower and the tub, I wanted to try something new and try to use the steam mop that I have. I will be linking the information down below. It's been really hard for me to link the informations, but I'm gonna try really hard this time and try to put the link down below. I did got it at Amazon, and it has a lot of attachments that you can utilize in different areas. So I did try this. It really worked, except for the kids' bathroom. It worked, but because it was really dirty, all I needed was the steam, which it worked really good because it was easier to take all the scum away. And like I said, it does come with a few attachments, and I had to switch the round one to just the straight one in order for me to go to the little edges around the shower and on the bottom. It was really amazing the way it worked in here. All the steam, it's the one that makes it easier to clean and to take all the scum away from the shower. If you guys can see the way I cleaned it out, I used a little glass container or any type of container. I fill it up with water and then I toss it around the shower. That way I can take all the soap away. I don't have any shower handles like the spray showers to take the water, and it's really hard, and that way it's easier for me to save water as well. And once I'm done with that, I'm just using a squeegee from the Dollar Tree to take all the water away from the shower. And this is a different attachment that I will be using to clean the shower doors from the outside. I like this one really well, and I think next time I will be using it on the mirrors and see how that works. I always keep that little broom in the laundry. It's easier for me to clean the little spaces around the house. And once I'm done brooming around the bathroom, I'm gonna be mopping with the Method squirt mop, the spearmint sage. It smells really good. This is the only one that I've tried, and once I'm done with that, I want to try a different one. If you guys have any recommendations on which one to use, comment down below. Now, to clean the kids' bathroom, I needed to grab my hair. I don't like to clean around the house with my hair up because at the end of the day, my head hurts. It's really heavy and it really hurts. So I always try to clean around the house with my hair down. But I really need to grab my hair up because this bathroom, it's really dirty, if you guys can see. And I will be using the same method around here. I will be using the steam mop at the beginning, and then later on you're gonna see me cleaning it out with just a regular tiny brush that I also bought at the Dollar Tree. And again, the steam mop worked really well with the steam. And if you guys can see in here, there is two different ways that you guys can use the steam mop, either with the long handle or just with the little one. And this is not sponsored. All the information that I'm giving you guys from the steam mop, it's because I am really in love with this and I just can't get over it. This is the little brush that I was telling you guys. That little stain on that side, I had to put more of the soft cleanser to try to take it away. It took a little bit, not all of it, and I'm pretty sure that next time when I do the deep clean again, once I scrub it again, it will be off, but this time it didn't. when I was done with the shower and the tub, and I didn't show it in the other one, but I did spray the Method Daily Shower, the eucalyptus mint, just to give that extra smell. It smells really good. I like the way it smells, and that's why I spray it out. I did the same in the shower, but somehow I didn't capture that.
Pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you.
Now, if you guys can see in here, this toilet, it's extremely dirty, and I am using the same wand, different attachment, but with the wand. And then to clean the outside, and I did it at the other toilet as well, I do spray DIY that I did with vinegar, water, and dish soap. But because this one was extremely dirty, I had to use different paper towels. But usually I always spray from the top to the bottom, and then I'll start cleaning the top part and then the flush handle, and going towards going my way down.
Take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
I recently did deep clean my baseboard in my bathroom and my bedroom, but I haven't had to clean this one, and that's why I'm cleaning this baseboard. And plus it's really dirty, and I'm just cleaning it with the same DIY I used on the toilets and with a regular rag.
And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. 'Cause you.
And I will be cleaning out the cabinet doors as well, and again just spraying that same DIY. It has the dish soap, so I think that makes it a little bit cleaner, and plus it smells really good because I did put a few essential oil drops in it, so that way that the vinegar doesn't powering the bathroom, which it doesn't. It will smell a little bit at the beginning, but then that smell will go away.
Glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
If you guys can sneak peek on the top left corner, I have a wood attached to the wall and a few galvanized little buckets that I put a few months ago when I did paint this bathroom, because the color was white, and I put that for the toothbrushes, but it was really dirty and I decided to take it off. At the beginning, I was thinking just to leave it in there, but then at the end, you'll see that I am going to take it off.
When I'm in this town, look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive. When I'm in this town, look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
And we're almost done. And all I have to clean is the downstairs bathroom, which it's the guest bathroom, and everyone uses it. It's not just for the guest bathroom. Like in the morning, like I said at the beginning, everyone is trying to get ready, and the bathrooms are usually always in use, and they end up coming downstairs, and it just needed some love as well. I didn't show the after clean at the end. Don't know what happened with that clip, but yeah, this one was really easy to clean. Just the toilet, the sink, the same process that as I did in the other bathrooms, and brooming and mopping. this is the end. I'm super happy with the after. Everything came out really clean, and I know that I have to keep cleaning these bathrooms at least twice a week because they are really trafficated in the week. We are a family of 8.5 with my niece currently, so once a week it's not enough, but I'm super happy with how it turned out. Everything is so clean. If you guys can smell in here, it smells amazing. And that is the piece of wood that I was telling you guys, and you'll see at the end that I took it away, and I have to repaint the whole wall because it left the holes from the screws. But that is going to be a project later on in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really happy that you had the opportunity to watch this video, and I hope that you find this motivational to you or to your day, and that you've accomplished whatever you wanted to do this morning. Thank you so much again, and don't forget to leave me your comment, and also like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.